Hello dear students, good morning. In this video I am going to explain what are the different arithmetic operations we can perform on numbers. Okay, if you see this, I am taking two numbers as input from the programmer A. A is equal to int of. I am taking integer input. All of you know input function will take the input in the form of string. But if you want to take integer as an input, you have to do type conversion. And here B also same way I am taking input and I am doing type conversion into the integer format. Yes or no? Now input takes a data from console at runtime as a string. Here we are typecasting the input string to int. Okay, now first operation we can perform on numbers is what? Plus addition. Addition of two numbers. What are the variables? A and B. We are doing A plus B here. And subtraction. Subtraction all of us know. Okay, minus. And multiplication is what? We can do star symbol. A star B. It will do multiplication of A and B. And the next one is A division. This is a normal division. Normal division will give the output in the form of exact value will be given in the form of float. Okay, exact quotient will be given in the form of float. And what is this? This is a modular division. Modular division always will give us the remainder. After A divided B, it will give the remainder of A and B. Okay, it will give the remainder. And the next one is exponent of A and B. A star star B means it will the A B become exponent to A. Exponent of A power B. Exponent of A and B means what? A power B. Next one is floor division. Floor division will it will make the answer to the nearest integer quotient. The quotient will be uh, rounded off to the nearest integer. The quotient will be rounded off to the nearest integer. Now I will run this program, then you will understand. Now in place of A, I am taking 13 and in place of B, wait, I will show you. See, in place of A, I have taken 13, in place of B, I am taking 2. Now addition of A and B is what? 13 plus 2, 15 and subtraction 13 minus 2, 11. Multiplication 13 into 2, 26. Division. Division means we have already seen division will give in the form of float. It will give float answer. 2 6 and 2 5 ja. 6.5 is the answer. And what is the remainder? Floor division. The modular division. Modular division. I have already shown what is a modular division. Modular division means this symbol. Modular division means this is a modular division. This division always give us the remainder. Remainder. Here we are getting the remainder. The remainder is what? 1. And the next exponent is 2, 13 power 2. Because in place of A I am giving 13 and in place of B I am giving 2. 13 power 2 is what? 169 and the floor division always rounded off the quotient to the given nearest integer. Here division is 6.5 but the floor division is 6. That means it is rounded off to the nearest integer. The floor division. Do you know what is floor division, right? Just now we have seen the floor division is, this is the floor division. Two division symbols, two symbols. Okay, two forward slash is the floor division and one forward slash is the normal division, and this is a modular division and this is the exponent. Okay, I hope you understand this operations on number. Thank you for watching, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Have a nice day.